Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT. Today, we'll dive into their specifications, pricing, and unique features to help you decide which card is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a content creator or a gamer, we've got you covered. The ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4060 Ti features a boost clock of 2685 MHz, making it a powerhouse for content creation and gaming. In contrast, the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT offers a boost clock of 2600 MHz, which still provides solid performance for gaming. While both cards are capable, the RTX 4060 Ti has the edge in raw clock speed, which can translate to better performance in demanding applications. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS ProArt RTX 4060 Ti is priced at $529, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities tailored for creators. On the other hand, the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT is more budget-friendly at $349, making it an attractive option for gamers looking for value without sacrificing performance. This price difference is significant for users who are budget-conscious. The ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4060 Ti is designed with content creators in mind, offering features like DLSS 3 and optimized cooling for intensive tasks. In contrast, the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT is aimed at gamers seeking high performance at a more accessible price point. Understanding your primary use case will help you choose the right card for your needs. In conclusion, both the ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT have their strengths and cater to different audiences. If you're a content creator looking for top-tier performance, the RTX 4060 Ti is worth the investment. However, if you're a gamer on a budget, the RX 6750 XT offers excellent performance for its price. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.